In this video, I'm going to show you how we can start modeling a bubble deck. So basically, in creating the slab, you can do that one in different ways using our floor tool. So here, as you can see here, there is a floor tool that can help us to do the model. So you can specify the name and then the part name here, even the layer thickness of the profile. So as you can see here, I put 60 by 2414. So if I pick this grid line, so I can pick a polygon shape, and this one will establish uh, the size of this slab, which is 60 by 2114. And then using the direct modification, I can just simply uh, cut this one accordingly. So let's say, for example, for the length, so I can use this direct modification and then use this splitting. So I can just simply click on this, and there you go. So I can split that one into two size, or even here, if I can pick from here to here, I can split these elements. So that one will be individual. If I select the component, the object and component, so that will be an individual slab. So that's one way of modeling the slab. So if you don't have a reference, then you can use the floor layout tools and then create the slab in Tekla structure. Now, in this example, again, is I'm going to have an AutoCAD file as my reference. So the good thing is you can bring the reference, the reference inside Tekla structure using the AutoCAD. So in here, I have the reference model. I can add a reference model here. Select the AutoCAD file and then open it. So once you add the model, so this is what you have. So I have already a bubble deck drawing here that I can insert inside the Tekla structure. So this is the layout now. In this layout, this one is much more helpful for us because we can only go to the lines or points to use that one as a reference. But if you want to clean up this one, even though it's a reference, you can have the layers here that you can turn on and off. Let's say, for example, you want to turn up the wall, so just simply turn up the wall part, and then let's say, for example, the drip groove, so grid line, you can turn it off so that it will be much more clean. Okay, so notes, bars, because we only want to see the position of our slab here. Okay. Okay, maybe the panel size should be okay, should be there. All right, all right. So as you can see here, I have already the panel size here. All right, and then now I can go back to my modeling. So from here, I can use now my floor tool. So as you can see here, I can look for all the similar width of the slab. Okay, so let's say this one is 2414, 2414, 2414. So I will do the 2414 first, and then for the other one, then I can model that one separately. Okay, because some slab here are different size, so meaning I can model that one separately. So using this floor layout tool, I just simply apply, and then here in the general, I can specify the gap between the slab, which is this. Okay, if I check this gap, it's 6 millimeter, so I put 6 millimeter here. So you have the default offset here, the positioning. So there are some options that you can use in this floor layout tool. So I just simply apply, and then go back to my floor layout tool, and then click, and then now pick more points, or 3 or more points, to create the floor. So what I will do is I will look to the corner where I can start. So let's say this one. This one is a 2 4 1 4. I can pick on this. So 1, and then here I can also, the good thing is I can pick the shape of the slab. So this may take a little bit of time because you need to pick. I'm picking on the what do you call that, on the geometry of the slab. But if you want, you can also pick a straight one and then do the cutting later, or the polygon cut later. But at the moment, I think it's for me, it's still better for me to okay. So here there is some as you can see here, from here then straight, there you go. So click on that one. So if you notice here, I'm picking the perimeter. So that's again 2 4 1 4. So here I will just go, instead of picking the shape here, I can make it straight because later I can show you how we can do the cutting on the opening using again the floor tool. So this one also 2 4 1 4 2 4 1 4 2 4 1 4 up to here. So this one is 2 4 1 4. Yeah. So a lot of points. So bear with me a little bit. Anyway, once I finish this one, there will be a lot of slab that will able to model, okay, in no time. So again, you need to pick on the correct position. Yeah, so another one here, and then this one. So I just pick the control key to make a reference. Okay. So this one is it 2 4 1 4? Okay, no, this one is 2 6. So meaning this one is wrong. So I need to press the backspace so that I'm not going to use that one. So instead, I'll just pick this point. So for 2 4 1 4. So okay, just continue to pick. At least you can see how this one was done. Okay, so pick this point and pick that point, and then again still that one, we're still on 2 4 1 4, and then I think here 2 4 1 4 again. So many. Okay, I think it should be here, here, here. Okay. No. Okay, so again backspace, that's a good thing. You can put a backspace here, and then there is a 2 4 1 4 here. So there you go. So control and then click, and then I think one more to go, and there you go. So here, pick this one, and then now you click the middle button of your mouse, and look, as you can see here, if I press the control 4, oh, the position is wrong, but no worry. So here I just simply select the direct modification, and then change the position of this. Okay, so update, and then let's see how we can modify the property strip. Oh, nope. Okay, let me just turn off the drawing. Okay, so now how we're going to change, because I think it should be counterclockwise, but let's see how we can change this one. Modify the width, modify input. So this one, still no. Circular, modify. Where's that one? Okay, there you go. So when I click this width, okay, so you can see here, I can just simply change the position of this arrow to this 90 degrees. Okay, and there you go, as simple as that. Oh, it doesn't look straight, so undo. I can change this one, make it straight. Hopefully that one is straight now, and there you go, right? So as you can see, you can easily manipulate that one, and then you can see the gap is 6 mm. All right, so turn on again. So when I turn it on, so as you can see here, there's a 6 mm here, and then if I want to change or to add the a cut here, there you go, this one. So as you can see here, I can just simply pick from this, maybe 3, okay, and then go straight here and middle button of your mouse, and there you go. So now you have already the oh, sorry, yeah, I think it's okay. Maybe undo and then check again. Here, just simply click 3 up to here, middle button. All right. Okay, so now I have already the individual element there using the floor layout tool. Okay, so with this one, with this floor layout tool, again, just to show you how we can add the opening here, just control. So from here, I can just simply select again the direct modification and then select the slab. Okay, and then from here, I can use this opening, this one, add new rectangular opening. So if I may select, okay, where is that one? Maybe this. Okay, that one. Another one here. So I can just simply pick from this point to this point. Easy. And then here, I just simply click from here to here. And there you go. Again, here to here. See? You can easily put the opening. So the others, of course, you can just simply pick 2 points and then you have now the opening. Okay, so at least you can see how this one works. Now let's move on to the detail. So just turn off again the bridge deck. So for the detail, I may not put everything here, but just to show you some. So first of all is I can use now my brace gear there, or let's say it's either you use the mesh part first. Okay, so this is the mesh. So for the mesh, I can just simply select the element, the slab. So here, if I select the slab, then I have the mesh here. So the position of the mesh is already correct. But again, just to show you how to put the mesh correctly. So as you can see here, I have already the parameters that can change the position of the mesh. Okay, maybe I don't have it here, but anyway, let us add the bubble deck detail first. So for this bubble deck, so I have now the BD 180, and then I have some of the numbers of balls here. Apply, and then again simply select this. Let's see the placement of the bubble deck there, or the balls. So as you can see, I think it's already properly placed because I already set it up. Okay, so of course, in this case, if you want to add more, so I'm switching the component and objects and components. So in this case, maybe I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe another 6, maybe 41. Modify. Later, I'm going to show you. I mean, because some of the slab has some balls are should not be put in some area, so we can just simply delete that one because in this component that I have created, it's not that very intelligent, so I don't put more rules to put the number of balls or the position of the ball. So I just make it a linear position, x and y. So here I'll just simply add again this and this one. Oh, sorry. Undo. I need to select this one, this. Okay. Yeah. And this one. Now, maybe I'll try that. I'll try also the this one in here. Okay. So if I click on this one, so this one is with a shape, but of course we need to change the number. So maybe in this case I need to remove how much? 2, 4, 6, 7. So this one must be 33. And then modify. Okay. And how about this one? So the thing here is we need to explode this, enable for us to delete. So explode. So in here I can just simply explode as well. So maybe I'll just simply select this one and then explode. Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe I need to explode this. Enable for me to delete some of these balls. So it depends what are the balls that need to be deleted. Okay, undo. So this one. Okay. And now how about the mesh? Let's try to add the mesh here. Okay, see, the mesh will be cut automatically. Oh, okay, there's some mesh that needs to move down. Okay, but anyway, that's fine. What I will do is I will just simply explode it, and then I'm going to move this point to this point. So maybe 0, 0, then 1, 30, something like that. Okay. And about this brace gear there, so I can just simply apply and then pick, and there you go. So that's the brace girder will also automatically cut. So now let's go back here. I can just simply pick this one and then add this lattice brace girder or lattice girder, and there you go. So even here, if I select that one, I can also add the bubble deck here, or the balls, and then also the mesh. Sorry, I need to click on this, maybe this one, also this one, this. So as you can see here, then the bubble. So maybe I'll just simply click this. So of course this one, it takes a little bit of time because there's a lot of elements coming here, but again, once you have that one, then it will be it will be fast, okay, in adding that one. But using the custom component, it's much more easier for us to add this ball instead of copy, array, and something like that. So here, just maybe create a some of this. All right, and then here, again, select this one, and then maybe this one will be 28. Let's see. Ah, sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, it's 28. On 23. So as you can see here, using the component, even you have the ball is not automated in the length because I just simply specify the numbers here. But if you notice the lattice gear there, it will come, the length will come automatically. Okay, so maybe I'll just add this one here, one more. Oh, sorry. Here. So here, if you want to add more balls, then you can just simply copy. Okay. All right. So I think that's enough for now. So what I will do now is I'm going to let's say, for example, in this case, I will use here. I'm going to remove this ball. Oh, sorry. Going to remove this ball in the opening. All right, and then maybe this one as well. Going to remove this ball. So in the opening. So here, I can just simply copy. Let's say 220. Yeah. So you can just simply, you can do that one if you like. And once you have it, I can now add, again, as you can see here, I have the mesh bar. So I just simply click the slab to add the mesh. Yeah. Yeah. So again, the mesh is automatically cut if there's an opening, and also the length. So here, you have already that one. And that's it for that demo. So this is how you can add the, demo in the modeling. But of course, we can continue on this one and in the perform numbering. So meaning the Tekla structure will assign the piece marking to each and every element, okay, and run the numbering. So yeah, done. So numbering complete. So again, in the here, I'll just delete some drawing here. So maybe let's start with the deck plan. Okay, so here if I double click this, I already pre-create the empty model earlier. But again, the good thing in Tekla structure, if you create the drawing and then you add model, okay, so the drawing will be updated. So this is the first drawing, the drawing that I created earlier. There's nothing, it's only grid line. But since I added the slab, now it will be populated in the drawing. Okay, so okay, so here these are the general arrangement drawing. So as you can see here, this is the erection drawing. And by the way, in this case, I think I need to add the slab part marking here. So the main part, I can use the assembly position and then the profile and also the name. So if I modify that one, I put here prepared and then modify. So that one will have the information of every slab. So the piece marking of every slab will be placed here. So here, as you can see, this is the piece mark and then the size and then the name of the slab. So this is how you create the erection drawing. So, okay, let's move on. I'll just close this one and then say yes. So I save already the drawing. And in this case, what you can do next is we need to select the elements. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select the slab now. So here, maybe I'll select the slab, 1, maybe 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 5, okay. So I'm going to create 5 drawings. So here, create the drawings, go to the cast unit drawing. I will just simply load this one, apply, and okay. So look, I select the 5 slab and then create cast unit drawing. Since I have already the setup in my drawing, so this one will be fully automated. So as you can see here, imagine this one I select 5 slab and then the system will automatically create the drawing for us. So maybe manually it will take more time for you to create one each drawing. In this case, then the system will do that one for us. Okay, so now the drawing was created. So as you can see here, I have this bubble deck now here. So I'm going to open one by one to show you. So I think this one will be much more faster because this one is the cast unit drawing. So let's see how much time it will take to open one drawing. I think maybe a minute also, because this one will be more detailed. There will be reinforcement in the drawing. Okay, so this is the one that we have created. So, I mean, from my setting, it's the basic one. But since this one, there's an opening, so there will be an additional dimension here. But that one is okay. So it's a little bit of maybe a little bit of modification in the drawing, and then it will be fine. So you're going to have this bar bending schedule. If you notice, there's more rebar here because of the cutting of the mesh here differently. Okay, so here this is the main view, and then this is the top mesh view. As you can see here, I changed the color. If I put B, then it will be black and white. Okay, so this is the presentation for the bottom mesh bar. So this dimension is because of the cutting that I have here. But let me check if maybe if I have the other drawing. Okay, the straight one. I think that one will be much more precise because of the from the setting that I created. Okay, but again, this one is a matter of setting up. Okay, so there you go. So this one is most likely a very good presentation here. So it shows also the cuts, the position of the lattice brace gear there. Yeah, and this is the mesh on the top Here you can always change the position if you like. This one. And I even have the 3D here. And there you go. So again, this one is automatically created by the system. But of course, if you want to add more details, then you can always create your own section if you like. So let's say, for example, if I make a section here, so I'll just simply apply this and then make a section from this point here, and then put it here. So that one will be a longitudinal section. Okay, so you can add more information here if you like. Okay, so I think that's how we can use Tekla structure in modeling the bridge deck. So again, this one is the model that you have, and if you want, you can also show the reference in the drawing as well, if you like. Okay, thank you.